foodies, welcome to MellowBites. I'm Bhargav
and I'm Porna.
Today we're gonna make a talk to talk video.
Yeah, today we're talking about another superfood. It's a small ball.
Yeah, and it's in green color.
And it has a single seed, and when you take a bite of it, your face goes?
Make a reaction.
Yeah, why is that, Bhargav?
It's really sour.
It has tons of health benefits. Yeah, and what is that food, Bhargav?
Amla or gooseberries.
Yeah, so today we're sharing some health benefits of amla. We're gonna also share some recipes so you can use that in your daily life.
The number one health benefit of amla is it helps you to boost your immunity quickly.
Yeah, it has vitamin C and tons of antioxidants, and it helps you fight all your bacterial diseases.
So if you consume amla every day,
yeah, it will help you fight all your colds and flus.
Yeah, the second health benefit of amla is it helps you improve your metabolism.
Yeah, amla has tons of fiber content and it regulates your digestion.
If your digestion is really good, you'll be healthy and strong. Who doesn't love to have beautiful hair and beautiful skin?
Yeah, amla has proven results that it will help your hair grow, have it silky and beautiful, and it also helps with glowing, healthy, and hydrated skin. And it also has anti-aging properties which help in prevention of premature graying or wrinkles on your face.
Yeah, it regulates blood sugar level, and diabetic people can have amla every day.
So we've talked about all the health benefits of amla, but we haven't mentioned how to consume it. So there are a lot of ways how people consume
you just
it.
Put it in your mouth, eat it like candy.
You eat it, you eat it plain, which is some people like it. Then you can have it as candies,
juice, teas,
many ways.
Yeah.
So today we're gonna share you a few recipes, and those taste awesome.
Really good.
Yeah, if you don't like the plain sour taste. First, we're making amla juice. Start by chopping 5 amlas. Add that into a blender, then add in a handful of curry leaves. Blend that together, adding 2.5 cups of water. Strain that. Then squeeze out the juice. Your amla juice is ready. I prefer having it as a juice. I love having it. It hydrates me in the morning. And yeah, you can also see me drinking it in my back to school video. I have been starting to take it in a regular basis every morning.
If you want something hot like tea, you can just make the amla tea. It's like a great morning tea.
Shred 1 amla. Add in 1 cup of water into a pot. Add in the shredded amla, a little crushed ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of turmeric. Let it boil, then add in 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves. Cover the pot, switch it off, and let it sit for 5 minutes. Add kneaded sugar into a cup. Strain the mixture. Enjoy your amla tea.
It's also a great detoxifier. If you like to break your tea habit, you should just choose the amla tea.
To prep a healthy amla lunch, we can make this amla rice. It's so delicious.
Yeah.
It's one of my favorite lunches. Shred 3 amlas. Add in some oil into a pan. Add in mustard seeds, red chilies, curry leaves, Bengal gram, and white gram. Add in some turmeric, shredded amla, and stir that until the raw flavor of the amla goes off. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and stir it. Add in some salt. Add in 1 cup of rice and mix it thoroughly. Once you've mixed it, your amla rice is ready. And you can pack it in a box. Take this yummy to-go lunch.
Rasam is a regular South Indian diet. You can just try it with amla.
Chop 2 amlas. Chop 1 tomato. Add in a little ginger, 1 chili, the chopped amla, and the chopped tomato. Blend that into a puree. Add 1.5 cups of water. Add in some oil into a pot. Temper some mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, a red chili, some curry leaves, and some asafoetida, a little garlic, and add the mixture inside. Add in a heaped teaspoon of rasam powder and some turmeric. Mix that well. Add in some salt into a serving bowl. Let the rasam boil, and once it boils, add in some cilantro. Pour the rasam into the serving bowl, and your amla rasam is ready. Yeah, Bhargav loves rasam, don't you? He eats it like every lunch.
Yeah.
So if you want to preserve amla, there are a few ways, so let's see those. Let's start by steaming 1 kg amlas. Remove the seeds from the steamed amlas. Take half kg of amlas and add that into a bowl. Add half cup of sugar. Mix that well. Close that. Take the remaining amlas and add 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix that well. Let both of them sun-dry well for 2 to 3 days. Our preserved, both sweet and salty amlas are ready. Store them in an airtight container.
I hope you love these recipes.
Yeah, if you want all these health benefits, definitely try to consume amla on a regular basis. Me and Barga have been doing it and it's been great for our hair, skin, and for our whole healthy life.
Yeah, it's also so easy to make.
Yeah, so definitely try these at your home. Yeah, and hope you love this video.
Yeah. Subscribe and don't forget to click the bell notification button.
Yeah, so you can get notified on every Friday, 8 p.m. See you next week.
Bye.